Hello everyone, hope everyone's doing well. So I'm reviewing today this Fox Creek Double Rider, which is the classic one style. So this guys is the thickest leather in my collection. It's it's really heavy. It's really heavy. It's absolutely robust, super thick leather. In the website, they say this is 1.4 to 1.6 millimeters of thickness, but in my perception, it feels like 2 millimeters for me in comparison with other jackets that are, you know, normally thick, like 1.1, 1.3. This really feels much thicker. Uh, Much heavier, extremely heavy. And this is cowhide. It's a very supple, very comfy cowhide. Feels like very smooth. It's super comfy. But in terms of weight, it's madness. It's really crazy. It's not for everyone. Um, So this is the back of the jacket. It has a lot of zippers to make. This is 100% functional jacket, not a jacket for, it really made and thought for riders, without any doubt. It has some zippers along the body, also in the back, to make easier to, more breathable. So it helps the airflow and, you know, also thought um, about the comfort for riders who are on the road. Um, the lining is quite light. Actually, it has two lines, right? So this is the regular lining. We can put this way, and there is an additional lining which is thicker also. I'm not sure what it is, maybe wool, not sure, but it's much heavier for, colder climates. Um, I'm using just the regular one, which is very light. So we also have a belt. Um, the hardware in this jacket here looks very nice. It's, as you can see, it's this antique brass, which is my favorite hardware color for jackets. The jacket fits very nicely, and despite the massive weight, it's quite comfy. The leather feels. This is full grain chrome tanned American cowhide or steerhide. I'm not sure. It's very comfy. It's very spongy, and but you can feel it's a cool leather. It's a high quality leather. Of course, you can compare it with a vegetable tanned horse hide or anything, but for what it's made, it's absolutely top. And the grain is very cool in this jacket. This jacket has a very nice grain. It's not uniform. It's very cool. So I'm hoping this will evolve very nicely. I've seen some of those that are a bit older, and it's not like a decor, but almost like a decor effect. It gets a bit grayish rather than black. So this color will start eventually to fade away and show a rather grayish color, which will make it look a bit like an antique, and it's a type of patina, we can say. We have side straps, side laces, which are still very long because I haven't cut it yet. I'm figuring whether to cut or trying to somehow, put it, adjust it somehow in order not to have such a long leather strip. But it's good that it has. This jacket came with a little defect, which is the buckle. As you can see, the buckle is sort of upside down. it was supposed, this part here was supposed to be up here, which is not. I contacted the customer service and they were extremely helpful, and they gave me the, you know, the possibility either to ship it back to US and get it changed, or to change it locally and they would pay for it. So I'm doing the second because it's rather easier for me rather than shipping the jacket back and forth. But even with the buckle being not aligned as it should, the jacket is still, I can still use the belt. But yeah, I will of course get it sorted, but just to show you that it's still functional even with this quality control little issue. Anyway, something that can happen, and you know, I wasn't very bothered by it, and I'll just get it fixed, and shouldn't be a problem. So this is the fit, guys. This is size 44. It's fit me well, as you can see. If I don't ride, but if I did, I would probably get the long version. You can always buy the regular version or the long one, which you have, I'm not sure if 2 inches, 3 inches longer body and sleeves. Because if I were to ride a motorcycle like that, maybe, you know, it's doable, especially if you wear gloves, but maybe some people would prefer a tad longer sleeves. Anyway, you have this possibility to pick one or the other for just 10 or 15 bucks more. And yeah, so this is the jacket. I really enjoy the quality of this cowhide because it's really massive. I mean, it's thicker than my Vanson, thicker than my Langlets. It's really, really robust, like really bulletproof armor-like stuff. And that's it, guys. So this is it's a very short review. This is the fit. If you have any questions, any comments, any doubts, please get in touch. I think I said everything I had. So have a nice day, guys. See you on the next one. Ciao.